As a caregiver, your own well-being is just as important as the care you provide. Our app allows you to monitor your burnout level and assess your emotional and physical well-being. If you go to the top of the page where the pencil and the notepad is, click it. In here, beside the Journal tab, you'll see the assessment tabs. These assessments can be taken monthly. I've already taken mine this month. Let's see what the results were. In here, it'll show you your score, the date it was taken, and all of the recommendations on things you can do to maintain your health. Now remember, these are general recommendations and it's important to adapt them to your specific situation and needs. Being a caregiver can come with a lot of challenges, so we want to make sure that you're monitoring yourself appropriately. So when you see the graph start to decline, it's time to take a look at it and see maybe if there's things that you can do to get the help you need so that your loved one is looked after.